Alright, this begins Chapter 3, Lesson 4, dealing with problem-solving investigations using the work backwards strategy. I know, everyone's favorite, problem solving, yay! At least it's not guess and check. Alright, let's go over and we'll see what you remember from your previous lesson. So we're going to solve 7y is equal to 42. Is it A6, B7, C1/6, or D1/7? The answer is 6. And now we're going to solve a negative 8h is equal to 64. Is the answer A, 8, B, 7, C, negative 7, or D, negative 8? And your answer is... And now we're going to solve 24 is equal to 6r. Is the answer A4, B6, C1/4, or D1/6? And your answer is... Now the product of a number and 5 is negative 45. What is the number? Is it A9, B5, C negative 5, or D negative 9? And your answer is... So Linwood earns $7 per hour at the coffee shop. How many hours does he need to work to earn $105? Is it A, 5 hours, B, 15, C, 20, or D, 25? And your answer is... So Rita has invited 16 friends to her birthday party. If she has 112 party favors, how many party favors can each of her friends receive? A4, B5, C7, or D9? And your answer is... Alright, so now today what you're going to do is solve problems using the work backwards strategy. So Lucy and Elena went to the mall. Each girl bought a CD for $16.50, a popcorn for $3.50, and a drink for $2.50. Altogether, they had $5 left over. How much money did they take to the mall? So we know that they have $5 left. We know how much they spent. So we need to find the initial amount that they had. So we're going to start with the end result, and we are going to work backward. So we're going to start with $5 left. We're going to undo the $2 times $2.50 spent on drinks. So right now they've spent so far $10. We're going to do the $3.50 that they spent on popcorn, which is $7. So now we're going to add that to our initial $10 amount. And then we're going to take the $16.50 that they spent on CDs, which is $33. We're going to add that to the $17 that we had previously. And so they initially had $50. So to check our work, to make sure we did it right, we're going to start with the $50 that we solved for, and then we're just going to do the problem as it says, and it should end up with $5 left. Now, Jackson's going to leave from work to go home before he heads to the airport. He needs to be at the airport at 1:15. It takes him 45 minutes to drive to the airport from home, 30 minutes to pack at home, and 20 minutes to drive back from work to home. What time should he leave work? Is it A, 11 a.m., B, 11:20, C, 11:40, or D, 12 o'clock? The nice thing with this one is you can add up the amount of time spent and then work backwards from there. And your answer is 11:40. And that concludes your lesson.